If your gut is telling you something's off with your production partner, but you can't quite put your finger on it, listen to that feeling. After years in this industry, we've seen it all. Today, I'm sharing the 5 biggest red flags that you hired the wrong supplier for your mass production job. Red flag number 1, the black box. You send an email asking for an update and hear nothing back for days. Your questions about progress get vague answers like, "It's fine," or "Don't worry." A good partner knows that your anxiety is their problem to solve. Red flag number 2, no problem. This supplier never, ever finds an issue with your design. They just say yes and quote it. That's not service, that's a trap. A professional partner performs a design for manufacturability analysis before production to prevent costly errors. Red flag number 3, the copycat risk. A huge fear for any company is intellectual property. Does your supplier ask you to sign an NDA before you even send files? If not, that's a major red flag. Your design is your crown jewel. A professional partner has systems in place to protect your IP like it's their own. Red flag number 4, quality roulette. Every time you receive a batch, you're nervous. Will the quality be consistent? Or will it be a box of surprises? Mass production is supposed to eliminate variation, not create it. And the biggest red flag of all, the blame game. When something goes wrong, it's always your fault. Your design, your requirements. A true partner owns their process and works with you to find a solution, not an excuse. Now, if you're watching this and seeing these red flags in your current factory, I know what you're thinking. It's a nightmare, but I'm in too deep to change. The cost, the time, the fear of disrupting production. It feels impossible. Here's my advice. You don't always have to switch, but you must start verifying. Audit. Ask for the data you're missing. A proper CMM report. A material certification. See how they react. Benchmark. Get a second opinion on a small part of your production or on your next new project. You don't have to jump ship all at once. Knowledge is power. Just knowing these signs gives you the leverage to ask better questions and demand higher standards from any supplier. Whether you decide to stick with your current partner or start looking for a new one, being an informed customer is your biggest advantage. If you found this helpful and you want to learn more about navigating the complexities of mass production in China, we publish a lot of free educational content to help you do just that. You can find more guides on our website,